Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and I'm excited because today I received my pink box in the mail. And if you know me at all, you know that this is my bestyle box from the 2Orchids, and I'm excited to open it up and see what's inside and try on all the pieces and give you my honest feedback about the products that come in the bestyle box. The 2Orchids, Karen and Lauren, and together with Kristen from 850 Blues, they put together, this feels like a very full and, you know, packed to the brim box. So I can't wait to see what's inside. Purchased a sweater from the 2Orchids boutique, and I've been waiting to get my bestyle box so I could review the sweater from the boutique at the same time. So I'm going to get that, and I'm going to show you everything that I have. So it's a pink bag. You know, I'm going to start with the bestyle box and go through everything that's in there. And I will try on the pieces if there's anything to try on, which I believe there is, and we will get started. All right, so everything's packed up in here. I already opened up the tape so I could just take it out. Packed in there so beautifully. All right, so I want you to be able to see what I'm pulling out of there. All right, so I have something that's very soft here. These are looking very beautiful and looks like something warm there. So first, these are little fingerless gloves, and they have soft fur. All right, so these are Smart Glove, LOF, Love of Fashion, New York. It's a cheetah print. It's beautiful. Looks like it's got the thumb. So it has like a little tie. This is an awesome tunic to wear with leggings. It's so soft. It's like a jersey fleecy type feel. And it feels like it would be so comfortable. I'm just gonna put it on. I have jeans on, but this would be fantastic with leggings and like maybe even a long sleeve underneath when it's chilly. But I'm just gonna put this on for you so you can see what it looks like on. All right, so as you can see, nice and long and flowy. This would be excellent. It's a low V-neck, so you know, I could wear it like this, very kind of, I don't know, it looks kind of low cut for me. But if you have a, like a little bralette with the lace, that would look beautiful. Or if you have on the long sleeve, like I was mentioning. But this would be fantastic with leggings. It's nice and long, it's flowing. I think you could even wear a belt with this if you wanted to. I think it's absolutely beautiful, absolutely fabulous. It's got a nice drape to it. I absolutely love it. And while I am wearing this, I'm gonna pull this out. And this is a Pinkalicious. This is a Pinkalicious. I love that. So I'm just going to take this up. I think this is a wrap from what I saw on the website. So I'm going to take this, open this up. This is beautiful. It's a gray and black plaid with a pink that runs through it. This is absolutely beautiful. And yeah, it's a wrap. So what's nice about this, it's lightweight. It's not a heavy material, but like if you're sitting, you know, if you're just sitting at home on the sofa and you feel a little chill, you can put this on as like a little wrap to you know, be comfortable and warm your arm. This is easily folded up into a purse. This is perfect. It's like having a blanket in your purse and just bringing this, so whenever you feel like you want to wrap yourself in some comfort, you can do it. This is so pretty, guys. The colors are absolutely beautiful with the pinks and the grays and the blacks with the little, I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of like a tweed material that has like multi colors of the material. It's absolutely gorgeous, guys. I love it so much. There's a couple of other things in the box here that look kind of fun. This is mascara. So it's a volumizing and lengthening mascara. It's a deluxe size priming mascara, deluxe size volumizing mascara, and deluxe size lengthening mascara. I am very excited to try these, and they're good size. And this is the, let's see, this is the primer. Yep, and it's like a white, which is what you expect from a primer. And this is the volumizing mascara. I like these bottles or these containers. Oh, that's a really cool brush. Wide on the end and thin when you go on the inner corners. So I like that a lot. This is the lengthening mascara. Oh wow, look at that brush. That looks great. I can't wait to try this. All right, and last in the box is this little jewelry box with a ring and some earrings. Now these earrings look great. These earrings are nice and thick. They're thick hoops. And as you can see, I love hoops. I'm gonna put these on right now. Take off my thin hoops. These are real simple too. They're just the little flip thing that fits right inside there. So it's very easy to put on. They're lightweight. There's nothing to these. They don't feel like they're heavy or anything like that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love them. Oh, they're very, very pretty. They're very nice size. And last but not least is a ring. So this is cool. So you know how people like to wear the big rings on their middle fingers? It's all one piece. Middle finger or index finger. So it's just cool. It's fun. It's, you know, it's trying to be a little bit different, a little bit like an elevated jewelry. It'll stand out. It'll be different. It'll be kind of luxurious and fun. I just really, really like it a lot. All right, so that's everything that was in the bestyle box, and I love everything. Karen and Lauren and Kristen, you did it again. Everything is absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. I am thrilled. I am absolutely thrilled with everything. I'm gonna try on the sweater that I got from the boutique so you can see the quality of that as well. And again, I haven't even taken it out of the package, so we're gonna see it together. So I'm gonna try it on. I'll come back with it on, and we can see what it looks like. Alrighty guys, so here's the sweater I ordered. And this is a medium, and this is so nice, guys. It feels great. It's not, you know, sometimes it feels a little tight. This doesn't feel tight at all. This feels incredible. I don't know how to explain it. It just fits nice. It fits nice everywhere. It's got beautiful sleeves, nice cuffs, and the down at the bottom, it fits nice over everything. It just feels fabulous. I love the way it was made. All right, so I have my Valentine's Day outfit all ready to go. My ring, my earrings, my sweater. This looks so pretty, guys. So this is it. The quality that the 2Orchids bring in their boutique and in their bestyle boxes, A++. I can't say enough. And I obviously love the 2Orchids, and I think that Karen and Lauren are just fantastic, and I so enjoy watching their videos. 850 Blues, you know, Kristen, thank you so much for the efforts that you put into this bestyle box. It's one of the best subscription boxes that I have tried. These are things that they're for comfort, they're for beauty. I can't wait to try these, and they really feature, you know, people who are up and coming and, you know, entrepreneurs doing their own thing. They really boost up their fellow entrepreneurs and people, women who are, you know, doing their thing. So anyway, I don't mean to gush on and on, but it really is. It's wonderful. I love everything that I've ever gotten from the boutique, and I love everything that I've gotten from the bestyle box. This was a great one. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you, Karen and Lauren and Kristen, for all you do and the things that you pick for the bestyle box and your boutique. You really obviously put your heart and soul into it, so it is appreciated. So thank you so much. Love from Plymouth. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.